Hello everybody, this is Cameron from Etani, and today we're looking at the template for profit and loss. So lots of demand from the accounting firms on the Etani system. They want to put profit and loss and balance sheets into Power BI. It's quite reasonable as accountants that you want to do that. And you're looking at the template right now. You can load this on any client in 2 minutes. Now, does it look that much different to, for example, Xero? If you go and run the report in Xero, it doesn't. It's just the same numbers. So this example with Old Man Online Clothing, you got your sales, you got direct costs, your gross profit, all the way expenses down to your net profit. Exactly the same. The only real difference there is a bit more customization on your color scheme. I've added it to be separated by quarterly. You can go in and out of different financial years. You can do that in Xero, by the way. I've added a column here for a percentage difference to last year. So, for example, sales pants, $60,000 in sales for that first quarter. It's 4% up on last year. And then you can go and alternate between budget and last year as well. So a little bit more flexibility there, but essentially it's the same. Where it can go further is because it's connected to your model in a report. So because we've got connection to the model, that means location, customers, suppliers, all the different, if you're using tracking codes, anything that you're using inside of Xero for this example, you can slice and dice. So I can literally click on South Australia and everything updates. So that's a profit and loss for South Australia, and vice versa. If you pull that back out, we can go and just look at pants, and it'll give you a breakdown on everything just based on pants. That's all from me. Happy Easter to everybody. Have a great break. Give me a call post-Easter if you want to explore this further. We can do a live demonstration and get you to understand the platform completely. Cheers.